Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be cooking brown stew pork, oxtail, white rice, and potato salad. In previous videos, if you have been watching, you'll see where I prepped, seasoned the pork and the oxtail. For those of you who are new here, welcome to Food and Life with JT. This video is Christmas morning video. I am preparing dinner for my family. And this is the simple way how I cook my brown stew pork and oxtail. Potato salad, no eggs, just veggies and potatoes along with mayonnaise and other ingredients such as black pepper, vinegar, crushed pepper, a little bit of sugar, salt. That's just about it. And for the oxtail and pork, you can use all the seasoning of your choice, from your paprika, your cayenne pepper, your black pepper, your onion salt, your garlic powder. Those are just a few that I use, along with my Maggi all-purpose and my Badia mixed seasoning. Those are what I mainly use for the powder seasoning. For the natural herbs, natural seasoning, I use onion, sweet pepper, tomatoes, green scallion, thyme, and pimento seed. First, I go ahead and brown the meat after seasoning. Remember, oxtail and pork spring a lot of oil, so you do not use a lot of oil to brown these meats. So just a small amount, and by the time you're finished, you will see a lot of oil into the pot. So what I do, I pour off the excess oil and add water after finish browning, and add my herbs, my natural seasoning. While the pot is simmering, I relax with a quick word search puzzle to relax the brain. If you're a puzzle lover like me, you can check pinned comment or the description. After a few minutes, I will check on the pot. However, for the oxtail, I will pressure for about 15 minutes. The pork wasn't tough, all that tough, so didn't have to pressure it. Just allow it to cook on slow to medium heat. While cooking the meat, the potatoes were cooking also, the rice was cooking also. So it was like 4 pots on the stove for Christmas, but it worked out well. Like other cultures, our culture, when it comes on to Christmas, Christmas is huge. It's a huge festivity. People are excited, people are pumped, they are cleaning up, they are cooking big meals, families coming together, friends coming together. They do the curry goat, the oxtail, the pork, the fried chicken, the jerk chicken, the curry chicken, the brown stew chicken. A lot of festivities. They do the sorry. They do sorry this year. the fruit cake, which we call black cake or Christmas cake. Yes. And a lot of excitement, a lot of drinking, partying. That's how our culture celebrate Christmas.